Hello, dear children. Have you practiced the alphabetical order, which we did a couple of days back? I'm sure you did. Now let's move on to the next level of the same exercise, which will be slightly more challenging. Let's go along then. Here we have 4 words: shoes, tie, socks, belt. Let's check out the first letter of these words now. We have a S for a shoe, T of the tie, S of the socks, and B of the belt. And as is our usual practice, let's chant the alphabets in our mind. The B comes first, the belt. Then the S comes. But hey, wait a minute. We have 2 S's here. 2 words beginning with the same alphabet. What do we do then? Which one do we put first? Children, if both the words are beginning with the same letter, we go to the next letter in the word. That is, we go to the H in the shoe and the O in the socks. Which comes first, H or O? Of course, H. So we put the shoes, and then comes the socks, and lastly comes Mr. T. Got it? Let's move on to the next example. We have a set of words, names of vegetables: pumpkin, cabbage, onion, peas. Look carefully. 2 words beginning with P, a C and a O. Let's chant the alphabets first. What comes first, C, P or O? Obviously, the cabbage comes first, C. Then we have the O of the onion. Now look at peas. P-U or P-E? Which will come first, U or E? Obviously, E comes first, peas. And last comes the pumpkin. Let's move ahead now. Here we have names of 4 boys: Ravi, Manish, Atul and Amit. 2 A's, a M and a R. First comes A. A-T or A-M. Which will come first? Obviously, M will come before T. Then comes T, Atul. Then we will have M, Manish. And last comes R, Ravi. I'm sure you're getting the hang of it by now. Let's move on to the next example, where we have names of birds: crow, pigeon, vulture and parrot. Again a C, a P, a V and again a P. What will come first? I'm sure you're chanting the alphabets in your mind, and you know very well the C comes first. Then we have the 2 P's, P-A or P-I. Which will come first, A or I? Obviously, the A, parrot. Then comes the P-I, pigeon. And last will come the vulture. You're doing an excellent job, I'm sure. Let's move ahead to the last example. Here we have books, pencils, bag, and eraser. First letter, two B's, a P, and a E. Yes, you're right. The B comes first. But which B will be put first? B O or B A? O or A? A comes first. Yes. And then comes the O. Then we have the E and the P, the eraser, and lastly the pencil. Children, remember once again that when the first letters are same, when we want to arrange the words in alphabetical order, we will look at the second letter. Hope you have it clear in your mind by now. Practice it well and complete the exercise which we are giving now.